What's up, guys? Mr. Alan C checking out the gaming stereo headphones for players. And look at that RGB color display on the box. I think there's RGBs, guys. Let's check these out. In the box, we had bubble wrapped headphones, and these over-the-ear covers are serious. Serious. Are you guys ready to feel the most comfortable cushion on your ears and be surrounded by sound within? Plus, we have this microphone right here that can just retreat right back in there. We have the controls right here. We got a light and a volume toggle. On this side, we have the mic on and off because you don't always want them hearing you on the mic when you're gaming. Here we do have the audio jack and the USB plug, and this cord is super long. Now, if you're having any issues plugging these into your system, it includes an adapter. They got you covered. All right, guys, these are changing the way I game. It's so incredible. So the mic on these, on Talk with Other Players, is crystal clear. Right here's the RGBs. They look pretty fantastic, don't they? Now, I have full control over those with my hand toggle right here, so watch them. On and off. I can go ahead and adjust the volume. So in-game and the voice chat volume right there. And I can go ahead and mute my microphone right here. This is pretty awesome, guys. I am digging it. It's just a game changer. These right here, they're even better than I expected. They cup around your ear. Usually my ears are so big, the cup goes right on the ear. These are cupping around the ear, and my ears are inside like this pocket of air where just sound comes out, and it's excellent. Also, we got a RGB right here. That can be controlled with the RGB toggle on the little handheld part right here. So, absolutely loving it, guys. It plugged right into my PC real easy. And that's a quick look at it. I hope this video helps you guys out. Solid build, guys. Nothing's bending here. Also, these extend right here, of course. Like most microphones, these will extend out if you have a big head. I had to extend it a little bit. See you next time, guys. Bye-bye.